Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you can build immediately. Install N8n via Docker or desktop and confirm Node 18 Plus for compatibility. Once done, add your API keys, open AI or other model, and set up a webhook node to receive incoming user messages. Make sure to decide the chat type early. A single-turn responder versus a multi-turn bot that requires a DB or key-value store for memory. This choice shapes node selection and data mapping in the next steps. You now build the central flow. Start with the webhook trigger and immediately parse and validate the incoming JSON so bad input is rejected early. Next, use a function node to assemble the prompt. Combine system instructions, recent messages from memory, and the user's text, so your model receives clear context. Then connect an HTTP request or dedicated open AI node, map the API key and model parameters, and set a reasonable timeout, and retry logic to handle transient API errors. Finish by routing the model's output to the destination. Reply through the webhook or messaging API, and store the exchange in your database if you need history. Then add logging and rate limiting. Include explicit error branches so failures return friendly messages instead of silent drops. Test edge cases, long prompts, empty input, API rate limits, and monitor usage to control cost. If something breaks, check authentication and node mappings first. Misconfigured keys or incorrect JSON paths cause most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.